clearance delivery, United 914. Departure position is Terminal 1 Gate Alpha, with feed information request clearance. United 914. Cleared at KIAD 5.1 Alpha. Departure runway 27 left, and then asphalt. Climb to flight level 110. Expect flight level 380 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 118.05. Squawk 2237. QNH 1017. Clear to KIAD by Lima 5 Alpha. Runway 27 left. Climbing to flight level 110. Expect flight level 380. Departure on 118.05. Squawk 2237. QNH 1017. United 914. United 914. Feedback correct. Ground on 118.1. Roger 118.1. United 914.
Clear delivery, SAS 830 with the ATC request clearance.
Clearance, Singapore 335, requesting clearance.
Request runway 08 left. United 914.
United 914, frequency is 121.72.
121.7. United 914. Clearance delivery 1003 with the weather request clearance 1003. This is correct. Clear to AIG AI V5.1 hotel departure runway and asphalt. Climb to flight level 70. Expect within 10 minutes after departure.
Pre-flight checklist.
118.05. Squawk 4154. QNH 1017. Request runway 08 left. United 914. United 914. Cleared at KIAD by V5 hotel departure runway 08 left and asphalt. Climb to flight level 110. Expect flight level 380 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 118.05. Squawk 2237. QNH 1017. Clear to KIAD by Lima 5 hotel runway 08 left. Climbing to flight level 110. Expect flight level 380. Departure on 118.05. Squawk 2237. QNH 1017. United 914. United 914. Feedback correct. Ground on 118.1. Roger 118.1. United 914.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this flight. May we remind you that all seat backs and tray tables need to be in the upright position. All carry-on items brought on board must be securely stowed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Prior to pushback from the gate, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Personal cellular telephones may be used while parked at the gate with the main cabin door open. We will advise you when they must be turned on. For customers seated in a row of seats identified by the words, "No children this row," please review the white safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. The use of some portable electronic devices is prohibited while on board the aircraft. Once airborne, you will be advised when the use of approved devices such as personal computers and compact disc players is permitted. A complete list of approved devices may be found in the magazine.
Ground 1742, requesting engine start.
1742, startup approved.
Roger, startup approved. 1742. Ground 1742, ready to taxi.
1742, taxi via Echo 1 Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left.
Via Echo 1 Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left 1742.
ground 1516, request taxi.
1516. Taxi via Echo 11 Papa Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left.
Via Echo 11 Papa Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left 1516.
Ground 7669 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi for parking.
7669er. Taxi via Romeo Tango 7 Golf Echo Golf 4 to gate Foxtrot 34.
Via Romeo Tango 7 Golf Echo Golf 4 to gate Foxtrot 34 7669.
Ground 475, ready to taxi.
475. Taxi via Golf 3 Foxtrot Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left.
Via Golf 3 Foxtrot Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left 475.
Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, this is your captain. We'd like to add our welcome aboard today's flight. We're just finishing up our last minute paperwork, and once we've done that, we'll push back. We're estimating an on-time departure. In the cabin today are some of our finest flight attendants who are there for your comfort, but most of all for your safety, so we ask that you give them undivided attention whenever requested. Once again, thanks for flying with us. Sit back and relax, and I'll update you on our progress once we're aboard.
Runway 09 west via Mike Bravo Delta 1 90141.
Ground 7, ready to taxi.
7 via Romeo November Charlie Tango 1. Taxi to runway 08 left.
Via Romeo November Charlie Tango 1 to runway 08 left 7.
Alright, it'll be a left seat takeoff. Taxi routes per ATC instructions. Standard reject procedure. Before start checklist, via the SID, climb to initial altitude. In the event of an emergency return, we'll coordinate with
Just close the
ATC.
main cabin door.
You'll fly the
All
airplane
personal
on
cellular
checklist,
telephones must be turned
coordinate
off
with
and
the
stowed for the
air traffic
duration
control
of the
company
flight.
and flight attendants.
Flight
Any questions?
attendants, prepare doors for departure, cross-check, and verify straps.
United Niner 14, request startup and pushback.
United Niner 14, startup and pushback approved.
Roger, cleared for startup. United Niner 14.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Ground 7727 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi for parking.
7727, taxi via Romeo Tango 7 Golf Echo Golf 3 to gate Foxtrot 8.
Via Romeo Tango 7 Golf Echo Golf 3 to gate Foxtrot 8.
Locking gear.
7727.
Ground 7641, cleared off runway 26 left.
7641, taxi via Tango Tango Alpha 3 Echo 1 to gate Foxtrot 8.
Via Tango Tango Alpha 3 Echo 1 to gate Foxtrot 8 7641.
Departure check completed. Bypass pin inserted. Release parking brakes. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Around the flight deck.
Go ahead from the cockpit.
Cleared to start engines.
Roger. Clear to start engines. Start both engines.
Ground Lufthansa 2229, request taxi.
Lufthansa 2229.
Okay, starting engines.
Taxi via Alpha 3 Alpha Mike Bravo Bravo Delta 2 Delta 1 to runway 09er right.
Via Alpha 3 Alpha Mike Bravo Bravo Delta 2 Delta 1 to runway 09er right. Lufthansa 2229.
Ground 83 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi for parking.
83, taxi via Lima Kilo Quebec Golf Echo 7 to gate Kilo 44.
Via Lima Kilo Quebec Golf Echo 7 to gate Kilo 44 8
Before taxi checklist.
Ground Aegean 611, ready to taxi.
611, taxi to runway 09er right via Bravo Delta 1.
Via Bravo Delta 1 to runway 09 right, Aegean 611. Via Bravo Delta 1 to runway 09 right, Aegean 611.
Set parking brakes. Waiting your confirmation for a good engine start.
Ground 127, request taxi.
127, taxi via Lima Kilo Quebec Golf Echo Golf 3 to gate Delta 18.
Via Lima Kilo Quebec Golf Echo Golf 3 to gate Delta 18127.
Unlocking gear. Tow track disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
Ground 14907 cleared off
Left
the
is
runway.
clear,
Request
right is
taxi
clear.
for parking.
14907, taxi via Sierra Tango Romeo Papa 1 to gate Delta 5.
Via Sierra Tango Romeo Park 1 to gate Delta 514907.
Ground United Niner 14, request taxi.
United Niner 14, taxi to runway 08 left via Papa 1 Romeo November Tango Tango 1.
By Papa 1 Romeo November Tango Tango 1 to runway 08 left. United 914.
Ground, American 45, ready to taxi.
American 45. Taxi to runway 08 left. Via Papa 1 Romeo November Tango Tango 1.
Via Papa 1 Romeo November Tango Tango 1, 2 runway 08 left, American 45.
Please refer to the safety brief card of the exit row information card located in the seat back pocket. To ensure you meet the exit row criteria and understand the information. After carefully reviewing this card, if you believe you could be injured, cannot reach to any from the functions listed.
1669er. Taxi via Lima Kilo Quebec Golf Echo 28 Delta 19er.
Via Lima Kilo Quebec Golf Echo 28 Delta 19er 1669er.
Please refer to the One for Work section of the Airline magazine. Thank you for your attention.
Ground 1620, request taxi.
Tower United 914, holding short of runway 08 left, ready for departure.
United 914, line up, runway 08 left.
Lining up runway 08 left, United 914.
Tower Airlines 524 from runway 09er left. Airlines 524, clear to land runway 09er left. QNH 1017.
Clear to land runway 09er left, QNH 1017. Airlines 524.
Tower 1411, on final, runway 09 left.
Before takeoff checklist.
Clear to land runway 09er left. QNH 1017.
Clear to land runway 09 left, QNH 1017, 1411.
United 914, wind 355 at 5, runway 08 left. Clear for takeoff.
Runway 08 left, clear for takeoff, United 914.
Check thrust. Thrust set. 80 knots.
Checked.
Tower 11, on final for runway 0 bagger left.
11, clear to land runway 09 left. QNH 1017.
Clear to land runway 0 bagger left, QNH 1017.
Rotate. B2.
Tower 7625 from runway 08 right. 7625.
Positive rate. You're up.
Right. Slowed final approach speed. QNH 1021.
Clear to land runway 08 right, reducing to final approach speed, QNH 102176.
Traffic.
Departure United 914, passing 1,200 for flight level 110.
United Diner 14, radar contact cleared via the Lima 5 Hotel. Departure climb to flight level 110.
By LFPG Lima 5 Hotel departure, climbing to flight level 110, United 914. Departure 1516, with you passing flight level 80 for flight level 120.
1516, identified, climb to flight level 120.
Autopilot on.
Climbing to flight level 120.
Autopilot to command.
1516.
Flaps 1.
With our flight underway, I'd like to once again welcome you aboard. I'd also like to offer a special welcome to our Quality Club flyers. You'll be earning valuable miles on your flight today. If you're not a member, please visit us at qwingsim.com. In just a few minutes, we will be beginning our complimentary meal and beverage service from the first class in coach. In coach, beer, wine, and margaritas can be purchased with a debit or credit card. We apologize if we do not accept cash. In-flight entertainment available on this aircraft includes audio, video, on demand, as well as Wi-Fi, all included free of charge.
After takeoff
Flight
checklist.
attendants will be coming through the aisles with complimentary exits. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
visa waiver customers are required to complete the I-94W form, which was given to them upon check-in. The I-94 form should be completed from the bottom up with a backing pen. Cabin crew members will be available to distribute any needed forms and answer any questions. Upon landing, please have all of your documentation available for immigration and customs officials. You will need to take all of your personal belongings with you, as any items left on board the aircraft may be confiscated by customs personnel. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please check that your seatbelt is securely fastened. To prepare for landing, it will be necessary to collect all service items, as well as any other items you wish to discard, such as newspapers.
Slow to 200 knots. Slowing down to 200, 711.
Request descent to 914.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign and dropped them on the cabin. We ask that you take your seats, so make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened.
United 914, establish and maintain a heading of 235.
Heading 235, 914.
United 914, descend to flight level 240.
Descending to flight level 240, 914.
Maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude 4561.
Delta 630, maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude, Delta 630. 61. Maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude 4561.
Delta 6 treats you. Southwest, treat 9066. Maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude southwest 3966.
JetBlue 29, maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude. JetBlue 29.
United 914, turn right, heading 325.
Heading 325. United 914.
United 914, turn right, heading 325. Cleared ILS, approach runway 01 right.
Heading 325. ILS, approach runway 01 right. United 914.
United 914, cleared final approach, tower, frequency 120.1.
Cleared for final approach. Tower 1.1. United 914.
Flight 135, contact tower on 120.1.
120.1 5135.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, please return all seat backs and tray tables to their upright and stowed position. Ensure all portable electronic devices are turned off, and stow all carry-on items.
Tower United
Additionally,
914.
footrest and video monitors must be returned to their original position.
Reduce to final approach speed. Altimeter 30.20. Clear to land runway 01 right.
Reducing the final approach speed. Altimeter 30120. Cleared to land runway 01 right. United 914.
2500.
Flight attendants, please be seated for arrival.
Landing checklist.
Land 3.
$1,000. $500. $400. $300. Approaching minimums. Minimums. 200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Tower United 660, from runway 01 left.
United 660, clear to land runway 01 left. Altimeter 30.20.
Clear to land runway 01 left. Altimeter 30.20. United 660.
United 914, exit to the left. Contact ground 121.9er.
121.9, United 914.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fastened seatbelt
Ground
sign.
United 914.
At that
Clear
time,
the
please
runway,
remember to
request
check
taxi
around your
parking.
seating area in the
United
seat pockets and overhead bins for all personal belongings to be brought on board. Please take care when opening the overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted during flight.
Charlie, United 914.
Determination of our flight this morning, so we ask that you check your desk pockets, pockets, and overhead bins for any articles you may have brought with you. Extra care should be taken in opening the overhead bins as heavy articles may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of your entire flight, it's been our pleasure serving you this morning. Have a pleasant day.
ground. United 660, request taxi. United 660, taxi via Uniform Tango Quebec Juliet Kilo Charlie to gate Charlie 11 via Uniform Tango Quebec Juliet Kilo Charlie to gate Charlie 11 United 660.